yun guys, no, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano kumita sa site ito guys. So tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano mag-sign up. Lagay nyo po yung mobile number, login password, security password, then attach nyo yung letters po. Then click nyo po yung sign up guys. So yun guys, no, pag nakapag-login na po kayo guys, OKETRX, may latest announcements guys, si OKETRX. OKTRX, top 10 global mining, basis mine number 1 next to GR Colo Highway Station in the Upper Columbia River, Washington State, Northwestern Unit, United States. Mine number 2 next to the Quarry Highway Station in Northern Brazil. Mine number 3, Zambezi River, Zegizimba, next to Bashawer Station, Mozambique. Mine number 4, the lower reaches of the Ocean River in the Amazon region of northern Brazil adjacent to the Tocrehebo Power Station. Mine number 5. The next Tocom Highway Station in the lower Caroni River in Venezuela. Mine number 6, Upper Parana River near Paraguay, Brazil. Next Itaipu Power Station. Mine number 7, next the nuclear power plant in Calgar, Karnataka, India. Only belongs to Calendid River. Mine number 8, Upper Xingu River in the lower Amazon River, Brazil, next to Mesiawante Station. Mine number 8, next to Jerusalem Station in eastern Valenzuela. Mine number 10, Upper Yans River in Siberia, near Sayan sa Shenking Highway Power Station. So yun guys, may Telegram sila dito, Telegram official customer service, the official website. After registration, there are two accounts, basic account and promotion account. Basic account, minimum investment of 5 TRX, lifetime renewal, the more investment, the greater income. Recommended recharge and get rich rewards. When your level 1 is deposit, you can get a 10% commission. When your level 2 is deposit, you can get 5% commission. When your level 3 deposit, you can get a 2% commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 1, you can get 10 TRX commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 2, you can get 5 TRX commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 3, you can get 2 TRX commission. So bonuses we can withdraw immediately without any restriction. So yun guys, meron top IOS basics from 5 TRX. And guys, pwede kayo mag-deposit dito guys. So yun guys, no, tuturuan ko guys kung paano how to earn promotional account revenue. Share your sign up link on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or recommended to your friends around after someone sign up to invest. The commission is as high as 70%. Every time you refer friend to assign you up, friend A recommends friend B to sign up, and B recommends friend C to sign up. If they invest directly, you will get 10% of A investment, 5% of investment, and 2% of investment, and these rewards will be credited on your promotional wallet. The TRX in the promotion account can be withdrawn in the same day, or it can be directly invested in the basic account and withdrawn for life. So yun guys, natapos na po natin masahin tong latest announcement. So yun guys, nandito ko tayo sa apps na OKTRX. Meron tayong guys, total balance is 1,000 TRX. So yun guys, magtutungo tayo dito sa trading. So yun guys, merong trading profit, 24-hour settlement, 5.30 TRX pwede nyo pag-receive din. Ground mining is working plus 5% guys. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa product list. Okay, TRX mine, number 1, daily rate 2%, cycle 7 days. Okay, interest mine number 3, daily rate 3%, cycle 30 days. Okay, TRX mine number 10, daily rate 5%, cycle 90 days. Okay, TRX mine number 5, daily rate 6%, cycles 120 days. Okay, TRX mine number 8, daily rate 7 days, cycle 150 days. Okay, TRX mine number 2, daily rate 8%, cycles 180 days. Okay, TRX mine number 7, daily rate 13.5%, cycle 360 days. So yun guys, na magtutungo tayo sa ating share. So yun guys, na nakalagay dito is invite your contacts of friends and then rewards. So yun guys, click po natin tong copy link, then pwede natin ipasa guys sa mga friends natin sa social media like Messenger, Facebook, and Instagram. at makakapag-earn na po tayo ng mga rewards dito sa site. So yun guys, no, nandito nga tayo sa nagtungo tayo dito guys. So total balance is 1,006 TRX VIP level 1. Pwede kayong mag-deposit guys, pwede mag-withdrawal. So yun guys, tuturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-deposit guys. Transfer to basic account, transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into two modes. Number 1, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone. After 24 every day, recharge into the promotion account, you can receive income according to different cycles, return to principal incoming upon maturity. View notes before investing, please do choose a basic account and promotion account and invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure that wait for the account to recharge in this is very critical issue. So yun guys, no, click po natin tong transfer to basic account guys. Copy natin yung nick guys, then magtutungo tayo sa Binance guys. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Binance guys. So tingin natin guys kung paano nga ba makakapag-withdraw dito guys. Click mo natin itong wallets. May 3 types dito guys. May deposit, withdraw, transfer. So yun guys, no, dito tayo sa withdraw. Click nyo po yung TRX. Send via crypto network. Ilong press nyo po yung link. Then mag-send po kayo ng TRX. Then click nyo po yung withdrawal. Confirm. So yun guys, na pag may lumabas na ganito guys, verification code guys, may mag-send sa ating number, sa ating Gmail guys, and click ko natin itong send code. So yun guys, pag nakuha na natin yung code sa number guys, tsaka code sa Gmail guys, so guys, lagay natin dito. Then click po natin yung submit guys. So yun guys, no, request is submitted na guys, withdrawal request submitted, system processing. So yun guys, no, napaka-legit talaga ng apps natin guys. So ano pang hinintay nyo guys, mag-create na po kayo at mag-sign up na po kayo dito guys para kumita na po kayo. Then, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo lagi sa aking mga